Okay, it's Wednesday. That must mean it's time for an Herbalife shake. Today we're gonna make Rick's favorite, and honestly, this, you can't even tell this is like a protein shake. This is a greatest chocolate malt ever, and it doesn't even have ice cream in it. I kid you not. If you are a fan of the chocolate malt, you are going to be so happy. This all starts out as per usual, 8 to 10 ounces of cold water. We're gonna add about a cup of ice, and then we're gonna mix up all of our magical ingredients. 1 scoop of chocolate protein drink mix, 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate Formula 1, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free instant chocolate pudding mix, and then malted milk powder. So I just buy this in a canister from Amazon, but you can get it in a jar on your grocery store shelf in this section where they sell like the instant chocolate milk maker, and it's usually up on the top shelf because it's not something they sell a whole lot of, so keep that in mind. But malted milk powder is a great thing to add here. This gives it that rich malty flavor. It is going to add a nominal amount of calories, but I wouldn't even worry about it because these are so low in calories to begin with. We're using 2 Herbalife scoops of malted milk powder. You will want to adjust that to your liking. Start with 1, give it a taste, and then the next time you'll know whether you want to go up or down. So this is super easy. We're gonna add all of our dry ingredients into our blender with our water. Pop the lid on there, and like I've mentioned in previous videos, my mixer has a stir option. It's the lowest speed. I like to put it on that first because it will suck all that powder down into the liquid and start blending it. And then I like to hit it on the whip for a few seconds just to get everything super, super emulsified.
Now for the magic.
And now this is where the magic happens. Once you add in your ice and hit it on, I have a whip or an extract or a pulse, so I like to hit whip, and then this is going to turn into a creamy, delicious chocolate malt milkshake. Now I do want to point something out. You can tell when this starts to blend after you put the ice in it, it's very dark, but then as it blends further, there's this very distinct line where the dark and the light meet. It would get lighter as it goes up and continues whipping. Then once it reaches the top, you'll know you're done. I like to let this blend for at least 30 seconds. Some people don't like to blend it that long, but I like it to be really well incorporated and super creamy. And there you go, there's your pour. And every good chocolate milkshake has a little whipped cream. This is sugar-free heavy cream, and it's a wonderful thing to have on hand if you all are trying to, you know, lower your sugar intake, but you don't really want to miss out on all those good things that you like. This, you know, put on top of a few fresh strawberries that you slice up in a bowl is a wonderful dessert. If you really are yearning for something sweet, it's very satisfying. So that is how you make a lovely chocolate malt using Herbalife products, the protein drink mix, the Dutch chocolate Formula 1, and a little bit of added something with the malted milk powder and the instant chocolate pudding mix. You'll see me put instant pudding mix in just about every shake that I make for you because it adds unctuousness, it adds thickness, it adds delicious flavor, and it just takes the shake over the top. If you didn't know there was an ice cream in this, you would not know there was an ice cream in this because it totally tastes like there is. If you would like to join me on my Herbalife journey, if you are looking for something to help you get healthier and get on the path to better health, just drop me a private message on Facebook or a direct message on Instagram, or you can message me at my email, info@noreenskitchen.com, and I will be so happy to help you learn more. I will put information down below in the description box about how you can get started becoming a preferred member. And if you do that, you automatically get 25% off all your purchases, and you can earn points to earn greater discounts in the future, all the way up to 42% off. Additionally, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and if you get a flavor that you don't like, you can easily return it for something that you enjoy. I'm down 37 pounds since February, and I'm down several inches. What I do know is that I've gone down an entire dress size.
I'm down 10 pounds.
You know, Rick has been doing it with me for at least the last 6 weeks, and he's also seeing good results as well. Plus the benefit is we're both getting healthy and we're both happy and tons of energy, and I can't say enough about this. So totally not pushing it, just letting you know this is what we're doing. If you're interested, I'm happy to help you learn more. I hope you give this chocolate malt a try. I hope you love it, and until next time, I'll see ya.